Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a beehive on a tree. So here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw the beehive on a tree. First of all, I'm drawing the branches. These two are enough. Now I'm using my orange pen to draw some patterns inside the branches. Now again, I'm doing the coloring with my brown pen. Okay, it's looking great. Now it's time to draw the beehive. So for this, I'm using my red pen. Another layer. Keep doing this. Here's a big hole. Great. Now I'm using my black pen. Now I'm using my yellow pen. For the rest of it, I'm using orange pen. Orange pen is not enough, so I am using my orange highlighter pen. I'm being really careful about coloring this because this is a tricky job. I'm using my pencil to draw a little bee. Wow, it's really cute. Let's draw another one. Wow! Now I'm using my black pen to do the outline. Perfect! Now I'm cleaning all the extra pencil marks. I'm using pink color in its wings. For the bee, I'm using yellow color. I'm using green color to draw some lips. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.